CNE, everybody. I'm going to take you for a morning walk today, but I'm going to take you to an old part of town. The part of town where our friend O'Leary was born. And he's lived here his whole life. But they had the street all tore up and they're making a massive rebuild of that area. So come with me. Let me show you this part of the city and the rebuild that's going on. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Family and friends, my beloved alley cats. Welcome back. Look at the leaves coming down, man. Winter is coming. I've showed you this real old part of Pogradec before, and they had the street all tore up. It was just dirt, but now they got cement laid down here. And I can see where they're starting to put tile over the cement that's here, okay? But let's check it out. Let's do a little alley walk. This is a really cool restaurant. I took April here when they had their, what was that called? The Chestnut and Wine Festival, and that should be coming up. A real trendy place, really cool. I can't wait for them to finish the work on the roads here. But it was just loose tile on dirt, so I could see why they had to redo it. So here's a door to the restaurant. This place is cool. I gotta get April back here. But times are changing, man. The seasons are changing. Liking it. What I love about being here, it's been a while for me, maybe not for many, but to have the 4 seasons again. In Texas, we only had 2 seasons, man. It was winter and summer. You went right from your air conditioner right to the heater. But now here in Pogradec, truly get the 4 seasons, which I love. They're doing a lot of work this part of the town. So you can hear someone hammering right now. Yeah, they're working on the roads, man. Mir and Just. Here. Look what's in front of me here. It's kind of cool. This looks new. Number 7, Charming House. Yeah, they're doing a lot of work. This is a real old section. Let this car go by. The mini truck, I should say. See on the center here, there's going to be a gap. I guarantee you that's for water. Number 7, Charming House. Cool. What do we got down here, guys? I don't want to walk into someone's backyard, though. You know what I mean? See ya. Mirror. So you see Advocate, lawyer's office right there. You can see him working down there, laying cement. But they're transforming this part of the city. Because that's new. That's brand new right there. There's stuff going on. There's a lot of improvements going down. I can't wait for this road to be finished. I'll show you guys when it's done. I saw one part of the street that they already had the tile laid down. And I think this is what they're going to do right here. See that? I think that's going to be the street. We'll keep exploring. We'll check it out. We'll check it out. There's another lawyer's office right there. Advocate. Dental place. Pharmacy. O'Leary, who is was my building manager. Nice guy. He's lived here his whole life. In this part of town, he was born. When I first moved here, he took me around, showed me where he grew up. Yeah, you can see they got everything dug up right here. Big transformation taking place. Can I go this way? Beer Manjest. Manjest. Oops. Mir Manjest. Mir. Yeah, man. Look at all the work that's being done. Look, that's new. That's nice. So is that going to be a hotel? Looks it. Gotta be careful walking when they're digging up stuff. Don't want to fall in the hole. Underground cable going on. That place, that's going to be nice, man. I like that. I'll take you guys down there, so I don't want to get hurt. What do we got here? Yeah, they're working, man. Hope you guys doing well. You guys ready for Thanksgiving? Like I've mentioned before, we're going to be in Toronto for Thanksgiving at Stefan Center, 5 p.m. If you guys want to break bread, come on along. Even just to say hello would be great. We're going to be going with our friend Taylor, who's an expat but from Ireland. Really nice guy. You know, that's something you don't see anymore, the old-fashioned barber poles. What's that stuff? Another part of Old Town that they're tearing up. Yeah. Little shopkeep right here. Working, working, working. Let's cross the street. I don't want to get hit by a car. Oh. You know, my April's sleeping. It's very early right now. It's like 8 in the morning. Cheese shop. Got some eggs over there as well. Women's fashion. A lot of boutiques here. Like I said, if you ever come to Pogradec, it's all about just learning the city, walking around, checking things out. Tona and Dennis, man, they know the city almost better than anyone. I mean, they really cruising around. I've mentioned it before. I'm really proud of them. They're trying to set up Thanksgiving here in Pogradec. I'm really proud of them for that. Another part of Old Town. It's still dirt. Okay, I've taken you guys down here before. Let's go back to the main street here. I'm doing my best to show you as much of the city as I can, not just the beach. Paint and stuff. Cafes and so forth. What do we got here? not open at the moment, but it's a door, whatever that is. Like I said, it's early, so a lot of these places aren't open yet. Nice little fruit stand coming. Oh, they're starting to hang the Christmas lights across the street. You guys see that? Yeah. All right. Digging it. Yeah, last year we saw that where they had all the going across the street, those lights. I don't know if you can see them right now, especially during the daytime, but at nighttime it's wonderful. So the city's starting to get ready for the holidays. Hip. Clean it up. Water from the mountains. Going to the lake, guys. Lake is constantly fed. Cruise over here. Scared the crap out of me. Selling used clothing? They waste nothing. I'm very proud of these people. Kids getting ready for school. So you guys can see the fruit stand. Oh, pears. Got some pears over there. Grapes. Oh, I love grapes. Tomatoes, onions, potatoes. Got some eggplant, garlic. I love these little side vendors because everything's organic, man. No pesticides, no hormones. Farm to table. Oop. Remember just. He's taking some roof tiles. More fruit stands. And all of these. Looking forward to the holidays, you guys. And the trips we got coming up, man, I'm excited. Hitting Prague for Christmas. Or just before, then we're going to go to Korcha, see what they're doing for Christmas. Going to Ireland for St. Patrick's Day. Feel blessed. Retirement's good. Oop, I'm in jest. I appreciate you guys going for the walk with me. Checking out different parts of the city. What's down there, man? Man, you fall down there, it's over. I think there's a ladder, I hope. But as you can see, Pogradec isn't as small as a lot of people think it is. And took you to Tushamith, if I pronounce that correctly. And I got to bring you guys back to Drillin, which is another small place, but it's beautiful. Which is maybe a 10-minute car ride. So we'll be exploring different parts of the city. But I appreciate y'all. Thank you for going on the walk with me, you guys. It's supposed to be raining like the next week straight. But I wanted to get in this walk with y'all. Now don't get me wrong, we'll continue to do the walk as long as the wind isn't blowing sideways. I can just use my umbrella. But thanks for coming along. I appreciate y'all. Remember, I love you guys, all right? Be careful. Bye.